Hi dear students, welcome to this Ayushi online classes. I am Monita here. Today we are going to solve exercise 6.4. In that first question, let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square. If EF is equal to 15.4 cm, find BC. Given, what given here? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and area of triangle ABC is 64 cm square and area of triangle DEF is equal to 121 cm square. EF given 15.4 centimeters, and to find, what we need to find out here? BC. Next, solution. Here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. We know that if two triangles are similar, ratio of areas is equal to square of ratio of its corresponding sides. I will write here. We know that if two triangles are similar, we know that if two triangles are similar, ratio of areas is equal to square of ratio of its corresponding side. We know this. So we can write here, hence area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF whole square. We can write this. Next, putting the values. We know that area of triangle ABC given that 64 divided by area of triangle DEF given 121. Also what given? EF given. BC not given. BC square as it is I will write. EF is given 15.4. This one given. So here BC square is equal to, we can write 64 into 15.4 divided by 121. Next, I will rub this. Next, so we can write here BC square is equal to 8 into 8 divided by 11 into 11 into, this one is square, into 15.4 square. So squaring, if we took squaring on both sides, so what will get? Here I will write squaring on both sides. What will get? BC is equal to 8 divided by 11 into 15.4. Yes? So, we'll get BC here is 11.2 centimeter. Next, second question. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to 2CD, find the ratio of areas of triangles AOB and COD. This is our second question. Given ABCD is a trapezium where AB is parallel to CD or DC and diagonals intersect at O. To find area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD, we need to find out. Solution. First, we need to prove triangle AOB and triangle COD are similar. Solution. Let's first prove. Let's first prove triangle AOB and triangle COD are similar. We have to prove this. Two triangles are similar. In triangle AOB and triangle COD. Here angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. These are transversal alternate angles. Here I will write AB is parallel to CD with AB parallel to CD with AC as transversal alternate angles are equal. How this transversal alternate angle are equal? By a similarity. We can write here triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. We know that if two triangles are similar, ratio of areas is equal to square of ratio of its corresponding sides. In first example, I wrote that. So we can write here area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD is equal to AB by CD whole square. Next, I will write here. Next, area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD. But given is AB is equal to 2CD. Putting this, area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD. AB is 2CD. 2CD by CD whole square. Next, the CD get cancelled. Area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD is equal to 4 by 1. So ratio of, hence we can write, hence ratio of areas is 4:1. Next, third question. Third question, in figure ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. Here base is same. If AD intersects BC at O, show that area of ABC, area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. We need to prove that. Solution. In that given, what given? Triangle ABC and triangle DBC having common base BC. To prove, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. Solution. Solution. Here AO and OD are not part of. Here AO and OD are not part of triangle ABC and triangle DBC. Here AO and OD are not part of triangle ABC and triangle DBC. We know that. What we know? Area of triangle formula. Area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into altitude. Yes. Let's draw altitude. Already I drawn one altitude AE. Let's draw altitude. Let's draw altitude AE. Already I have drawn here. That is AE perpendicular to this BC. This AE is perpendicular to this BC. Hence we can write area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2, base is BC and height is, we have to take that altitude AE. Height is AE. Similarly for triangle DBC, let's draw altitude. Already I have drawn that. Let's draw altitude. Let's draw altitude DF, which is perpendicular to BC. DF is perpendicular to BC. So we can write here area of triangle DBC is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into DF. Yes. Now taking ratio. Taking ratio. Here I will write this also. Now taking ratio. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to 1 by 2 into BC into AE divided by 1 by 2 into BC into DF. Yes. Now next, this 1 by 2 get cancelled, BC get cancelled. Now we can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to, remaining is AE by DF. This is equation 1. Next, now triangle AOE. Next triangle is AOE and triangle DOF. Here angle AEO is equal to angle DFO. Both right angles already I had drawn here. That is both right angles. Both right angles already I had drawn. both right angles. And angle AOE is equal to angle DOE, which are vertically opposite angles. We can write these are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. By a similarity. By a similarity. By a similarity, we can write here triangle AOE is similar to triangle DOE. But we know that if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. I will write here, if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. We know this. So we can write here, so AE by DF is equal to AO by DO ratio. This is 2. Putting 2 in 1. Putting equation 2 in 1. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO is equal to AE and DR. We know that AE is AO and this is DO. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. Hence proved. Next, fourth question. Fourth example, if the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. Let triangles be ABC, triangle DEF, both triangles are similar. That is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and areas are equal. That is, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. To prove, what we have to prove? Both triangles are congruent. That is, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Next, proof. Given. What given? Given. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This one given. We know that already. We wrote this in example 1. What we wrote? If two triangles are similar, ratio of areas is equal to square of ratio of its corresponding sides. What we know? If two triangles are similar, ratio of areas is equal to square of ratio of its corresponding sides. So, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF square is equal to AB by D square is equal to AC by DF square. Yes. Next, area of triangle. Given that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. So, I will write here, that is area of triangle DEF. Given this already there. ABC is equal to triangle DEF divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF square is equal to AB by DE square is equal to AC by DF square. This cancelled means what? Is equal to BC by EF square is equal to AB by DE square is equal to AC by DF square. Taking first 1 is equal to BC by EF square. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides will get 1 is equal to BC by EF, that is EF is equal to BC. Same second one also we can write similarly. 1 is equal to AB by D whole square. Squaring on both sides we get AB by D. So D is equal to AB. Third one, 1 is equal to AC by DF whole square. Squaring on both sides we will get AC by DF. So next one we will get DF is equal to AC. We got what? EF is equal to BC, D is equal to AB and DF is equal to AC. Now triangle ABC and triangle DEF. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, what we got? EF is equal to BC, DEF is equal to AC and DE is equal to AB. DE is equal to AB. So by yes congruency, by yes congruency, by yes congruency, we can write here triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Hence true. Next, fifth example. Fifth question, DEF are respectively the midpoints of sides AB, BC and CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of area of triangle DEF and triangle ABC. Here given is triangle ABC and DEF midpoints of AB, BC and CA respectively. Already I have drawn there. To find area of triangle DEF and divided by area of triangle ABC. Solution. We know that. What we know? Line joining midpoints of two sides. Line joining midpoints of two sides of a triangle. Midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. What we know? Line joining midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side. Next, in triangle ABC, D and F are midpoints of AB and AC. So DF is parallel to B. This is first. Similarly, E and F are midpoints of BC and AC. So here EF is parallel to AB. So hence EF is parallel to DB. This is second one. From 1 and 2. From this 1 and 2, DF is parallel to B and this EF is parallel to DB. Opposite sides of quadrilateral is parallel. 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 So we can write here DBEF is parallelogram. DBEF is parallelogram. We know that. What we know here? In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. We know that in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. We know this. Hence, angle DFE is equal to angle ABC. This is third one. Similarly, we can prove DECF is parallelogram. Similarly, we can prove DECF is parallelogram. Next, parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. We know that. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. Hence, we can write here angle EBF is equal to angle ACB. This is fourth one. Now, in triangle EDF and triangle ABC. Here from 3 angle DFE is equal to angle ABC. This is from 3. This one is 6. And from 4 angle EDF is equal to angle ACF. By AA similarity, by AA similarity, we can write here triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. We know that If two triangles are similar, the ratio of their area is always equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Already we wrote this statement in example first. So we can write here area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to DE square divided by AC square. So here DE is equal to FC, opposite sides. Opposite sides. So area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to FC square divided by AC square. F is the midpoint of here. F is midpoint of AC. F is midpoint. F is midpoint of AC. So we can write here AC by 2. This FC we can write AC by 2. So putting this area of triangle DEF divided by area of triangle ABC divided by AC square by 2 whole square divided by AC square. AC square get cancelled. Answer is 1 divided by 4. Next, sixth example. Sixth one, prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Solution here given. Let triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Here AD is median for triangle ABC. BD is equal to CD is equal to half of BC. We can write similarly PS is the median for triangle PQR. Hence QS is equal to RS is equal to half of QR. We have to prove area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AD by PS whole square. Next, proof. Proof given. What given? Given is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Here, corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Similar triangles are equal. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. We know that, so we can write here angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. This is 1. Also, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in same proportion. Also, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in same proportion. So we can write here AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Here AB by PQ is equal to 2BD by 2QS. Here as AD and PS are median. AD and this one PS are medians. This 2 get cancelled. AB by PQ is equal to BD by Q. Yes, this is 2. Next, in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle PQS. Here angle B is equal to angle Q and AB by PQ is equal to BD by QS by SAS similarity. By SAS similarity, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQ. Yes. We know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion. We know that if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion. Hence, we can write AB by PQ is equal to AD by PS. How we wrote this? If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in same proportion. Now, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We know that if two triangles are similar, the ratio of their area is always equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. We wrote this statement in example first. Hence, we can write here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square, or area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AD by PS whole square. Hence proved. Next, seventh example. Seventh question. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. Here given what? Square ABCD with diagonal BD and triangle BCE which is described on base BC, triangle BDF which is described on base BD, both triangle BCE and triangle BDF equilateral. Given that both triangle BCE and BDF equilateral. Proof. What we have to prove here? Area of triangle BCE divided by area of triangle FDB is equal to 1 by 2. Proof. Proof. Both triangle BCE and triangle BDF equilateral. Both triangles are equilateral. This is given in triangle BDF and triangle BCE. We can write here ratios DF by C is equal to FB by EB is equal to DB by CB by SAS similarity. SSS similarity by SSS similarity. We can say that triangle FBD is similar to triangle BCE. We know that if two triangles are similar, ratio of area of triangle is equal to the ratio of square of corresponding sides. We know that in similar triangles, ratio of area of triangle is equal to the ratio of square of corresponding sides. So we can write here area of triangle FBD divided by area of triangle BCE is equal to DB by BC whole square. But DB is equal to root 2 BC. DB is a diagonal of square ABCD. DB is diagonal of ABCD. Here DB is the diagonal of ABCD. Hence we can write here. I will write here upside. Hence area of triangle FBD divided by area of triangle BCE is equal to root 2 BC divided by BC whole square. BC get cancelled. Root 2 square. Square is 2. So area of triangle BCE divided by area of triangle FBD is equal to 1 by 2. Hence root. I hope you understood this. If you like, please share and subscribe.